Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Poco M3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this XIAOMI. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now you need to select apps over here and click on app lock. Then just turn on and tap on change password. Over here select one of those login methods for your apps. I will go with pattern. Then you need to enter it and repeat it. After that select next at the bottom right corner. And if you wish to sign in into your mail account, you can do that by clicking on this green button. If you don't want to, just like I don't, tap on Not Now, wait 5 seconds and tap on Not Now again. If you wish to lock all of those apps, just click on Use App Lock right away. I don't want to those, I have to click on all of them. And when I see 0, I can click on Use App Lock, and then if you wish to unlock your apps using your fingerprint, you can do that by going into settings and following the instructions. I will go with cancel though, and now I can finally pick an app that I want to lock, like YouTube, by tapping on the switcher next to it. So now when I go back and try to access YouTube, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!